The peacock is a bird of great beauty, with its stunning tail feathers and magnificent colors. But there is more to the peacock than just its pretty feathers. Here are some facts about peacocks that you may not know. Peafowl, or peacock, refers to a significant, often ground-dwelling bird of the Afropavo and pavo group. The peacock is a pheasant family member. 2 of the 3 species are native to Asia, while the last is native to Africa. The 3 peacock species are the Congo peafowl, the green peafowl, and the Indian peafowl. The male peafowl is called a peacock, the female is called a peahen, and the baby peafowl is peachick. Peacocks are famous for the colorful fan-like covert or plumage they often display. However, they are semi-domestic birds and can be found in parks and aviaries worldwide. The peafowl is a ground-dwelling bird that prefers forest areas and agricultural fields. They may be found in rainforests and bushlands as well. Nests are generally built on the ground, although some of them will roost in trees instead. The main reason birds build nests in trees is that they provide them safety and cover. They will seek refuge and sleep in the branches of trees at night to avoid predators. During the day, peafowl leaves their roosts to seek food. The peacock is a typical example of sexual selection playing a role in evolution. According to research, peahens prefer to mate with the most impressive males with the most significant number of eye spots in their tails. The males with the biggest eye spots tend to be healthier, better fathers, and lead youngsters more likely to survive, according to studies. The beauty of the peacock goes deeper than skin. Peacocks shed their tail feathers in August and begin to grow them again. To attract the peahen, the male spreads his covert of feathers and shivers it. Backing toward the receptive female, swinging around to show off his beauty before retreating several steps and bowing is typical for the male. All peafowl species are omnivores, living on primary plants such as flower petals and seeds. Peafowls also eat animals such as insects, locusts, ticks, ants, and termites. They also prey on small reptiles such as young cobra snakes, amphibians, and arthropods. They go about the open areas, raking through the leaf litter and other debris. They scratch at the dirt in search of anything edible, using their beaks to move things out of the way. Typically, peafowl retreats to forests during the hottest part of the day to avoid the heat. The peacock's brilliant train, featuring over 200 glistening feathers with eye spots on each, is a showstopper. The head, neck, and breast of the Indian peacock are blue and green iridescent. Their extended coverts are not the tail quill feathers but long upper tail feather coverts. The train is made of bronze and green, has a series of eyes that are more obvious when the tail is fluttered, and has a fantail. Females have a duller color than males, as is typical in many other avian species. Peahens are brown with lighter undersides. They don't have the extended upper tail coverts like their peacocks. They may have an iridescent green tint on their neck. Male and female peafowl have crests on the top of their heads, also seen in green peafowl species. The male of the green peafowl, unlike Indian peafowl males, has green and gold plumage and black wings with a sheen of blue. Green peahens are identical to green peacocks, with briefer upper tail feather trains and a little less iridescent in certain areas, unlike the Indian peafowl. It's tough to distinguish females from males in the period when the male has no coverts. Peafowls are huge birds, with males estimated to be up to 7.5 feet in length and females considerably smaller at 34 inches. The male peafowl's tail may be up to 5 feet long. Peacock adults weigh about 13 pounds, and mature peahens can weigh up to 9 pounds. Male and female peafowl have robust and powerful metatarsal spurs called kicking thorns to defend themselves against predators, just like other galliforms. They have 3 sturdy toes facing forward and 1 backward, with solid legs. Most species cannot fly for long distances since their wing surface to body weight ratio is low. In the wild, peafowl live 10 to 25 years. Domesticated peafowl have been known to live as long as 40 to 50 years.